Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech News Today. So in today's video we are going to cover some tech news and some big tech news actually. Uh, so before starting the video, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and do press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my site. So the first news is coming from the gaming giant EA. So the news is that the EA gaming giant hacked and source code has been stolen. According to the report, hackers have stolen the valuable information from the major publisher Electronic Arts. The company said that attackers claim to have downloaded the code for games such as FIFA 21 and for the property for Spirit game engine used as the base for many high-profile games. News of the hack was first reported by the news site, which has some said that according to the resources, 780 gigabytes of the data has been stolen. EA said that no player has been stolen to the breach. The firm is one of the largest organization companies of the world. It counts the major series such as Battlefield, Star Wars, Jedi Fallen Order, The Sims, Titanfall among the titles it develops or publishes, as well as the vast array of the annual games. So that was the sad news for the gaming lovers, because EA Electronic Arts is a very big gaming giant and its data has been stolen by the hackers, and the source code, the hackers claim that the source code of the game FIFA 21 has been stolen. So the next news is coming from Facebook. So the Facebook has announced a lot of things in the past. So today the Facebook has announced that they are bringing up the smartwatch, which is directly connected to the virtual reality server. So it's a good news for tech lovers, and let's see how will the things will carry on, because according to some resources, Facebook will introduce this watch in mid of 2022, but major resources and Facebook executive said that the watch is in the initial phase, and we can't tell or we can't predict that when will be it finalized and when will be it available to the customers or to the market. So the next news is coming from Didi Chuxx, and as you know that Didi Chuxx is China's ride-hail giant, and it is now practicing to fly to the US. So China's biggest ride-hailing firm, Didi Chuxing, has filed paper to become a publicly listed company in the US. The company is backed by some of the Asian largest technologies investment firms, including SoftBank, Alibaba, and Tencent. The amount of share to the offered and the pricing were not revealed yet, and I think and I hope that they will not be revealed ever. However, the company could raise around $10 billion and seek evaluation close to $100 billion. So familiar with the matter told that would make the biggest share offering to the United States by the Chinese companies since 2014, when e-commerce giant Alibaba, as we know that when Alibaba was introduced in the US, and Alibaba raised $25 billion. So Didi has a mobile app where user can hail taxis, private owned cars, carpool and buses in some cities, and it also has business interest in electrical vehicle trade, changing network, fleet management, car making, and autonomous driving. It expanded into 15 countries, but China always remains the biggest market of Didi because it is the asset of China. So the last news is also from Facebook.com. So due to pandemic situation, Facebook.com has extended the period and time interval of the workers working remotely, because as you know that in previous news I have covered that Apple's worker had put down a rally against Apple, and they were demanding to the change in the working hours. But it is the latest news from facebook.com. Facebook has announced that the worker can work remotely due to pandemic situation, and don't know that how much more things we have to face, and when will this COVID-19 will get back. So that's all from the today news. Hope you will like our video and share our video, and if you have any idea, tech related idea or tech related news, then you can share in the comment section, and we will cover in our next video. So please subscribe our YouTube channel Tech News Today, and do press the bell icon so you never miss any update from our website. Thank you.